Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. Relations of digital gate logic to contact coil logic. Objective. The keywords: digital gate types. Draw their symbols. Relay logic diagrams. PLC logic diagrams. While Boolean expression. Objectives. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to list the 7 basic digital gate types, draw their symbols, and describe their function. Show the relation of switch contact logic, relay, PLC ladder logic, to digital logic for each gate type. Create digital systems and PLC relay logic diagrams from process word description. Convert from any one of the 3 programming systems to any other for process operation word description, relay logic diagram, PLC logic diagrams, and the digital gate diagrams. While Boolean expressions. Introduction. The keywords. By typing in line, connection mode, nodes, contacts, and a coil or functions. Light emitting diode, LED, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, Boolean algebra, logic term, digital gate diagram. The programming is normally done by typing in lines, connection node, contacts, and coils or functions. However, most smaller programmers with smaller light emitting diode, LED display, have keyboard keys with digital logic notations. These smaller programmers can have digital gate logic keys such as AND, OR, NOT, and others. This chapter shows how to relate these logic terms to the relay and a large screen PLC logic. Other symbols that appear on some PLC keyboards are a lock, plus, minus, 0, and equal. These are Boolean algebra symbols. There is another reason for studying digital programming. Some computer-trained persons understand PLC programming best using digital logic. This chapter should help these people to program PLC properly. This chapter compares word description, relay ladder diagrams, PLC ladder diagrams, and digital gate diagrams. The relay ladder diagrams and the PLC ladder diagrams involved coil contact programming. More important, in this chapter, we show how to translate from one of 3 systems to another. Digital gates. The keywords: electrical operation, logic gate, get on, chip, terminals for power. We discussed digital logic gate from a PLC logic standpoint, but we do not cover the details of their electronic internal workings or their electrical operation. Figure 6.1 shows the 7 basic types of logic gates. This picture shows the 7 basic digital logic gates: AND gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, OR gate, exclusive OR, NOR gate, and exclusive NOR gate. All gates have one output. The outputs are either on or off, depending on the logic status of their input, on or off. A gate on condition is typical when positive 5 volt DC comes from the output terminal. Off is typically 0 volt output. The NOT gate always has one input. The exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate usually have 2 inputs, but can have more. The other 4 types can have 2 to 8 inputs and sometimes more. In addition to input and output terminals, each chip needs 2 terminals for power, one for 5 volt, the other for ground. Homework: handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz and see you next time.